Sick of dropping cash and spending forever at beauty salons? Well, what if I told you about this cavitation machine you can use right at home? It can help you zap away up to 2 inches of belly fat in just a few seconds. Crazy, right? Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Cora, a beauty advisor. Today I will show you how to sculpt the belly step by step. In the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and confidence to start your own body transformation journey. Before the demonstration, I will explain how cavitation works to remove fat so that you can understand the magic it plays. Ultrasonic cavitation or ultrasonic lipolysis is a non-invasive treatment that removes fat deposit under your skin. The procedure is a safer alternative to surgical options like liposuction. Ultrasonic cavitation uses ultrasonic technology to break apart fat cells. The machine sends ultrasound waves deep into your skin layers during treatment, causing a disruptive vibration. Fat cells then break apart from each other and are removed from your dermal layers. In a few days, the cells are absorbed by your lymphatic system and drained as waste. Okay, let's get to the point. Clean the belly with a towel and then apply conductive gel evenly to it. Draw large circles on the whole belly. Repeat 3 times. Draw diamonds on the same place. Repeat 3 times. Lift up and down on the waist side. Repeat 3 times. Lift slowly from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 3 times. Lift slowly from the waist side to the belly button with a hand. Repeat 3 times. Then, here is a kind reminder. Do these things before and after treatment to maximize the results. Stay hydrated, keep a healthy diet, and avoid alcohol and caffeine. Last is about frequency of use. You can take the treatment 2 to 3 times weekly for the first 2 weeks and do it once a week after you get the most out of it. Following these tips and procedures, you can get 1 to 2 inches of the fat loss in 4 weeks. But a healthy diet and a regular exercise are necessary to maintain a long-lasting result. Thank you so much for today. I'm Cora, a beauty advisor. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. If you like our video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. See you next time.